Good morning, artists. So today's goal is going to be to finish your value and form on your pizza chart. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. So value and form, you're going to do 2 of them today. Now before you get to that, we want to make sure that you have an understanding of forms. So we're going to do a little warm up. So what you guys are going to do is on this page in your Elements and Principles of Design packet, this packet, okay, yellow section, you're going to go to form. And just from your mind, you're going to spend 5 minutes, that's it, drawing 3D forms. So some of you are probably going to do this, which is like the math teacher's way of showing you how to make a cube. And that's okay for now, all right? We're gonna teach you how to make forms for real. But just start drawing some forms. Make some cones, make some cubes, make some spheres. That's a circle and a triangle. How do you make it a form? Add some value to it. Add some value. Use your eraser if you need to add highlights. So again, just draw some different cubes from your mind. All right, ding, 5 minutes is up. I did that really quick, just so you can see. You're gonna fill this page, this top section. This is number 1, right there. Number 2, we're gonna draw some forms from life. And what you're gonna do is you're going to need to now think about placement. You're gonna need to think about which object is in front and which object is further away. So this is kind of doing what we did here, but looking at actual forms. So it's not flattened for you anymore. You're gonna need to look at it. So when I'm drawing this, I'm gonna notice that the cylinder is in the front. It's okay if you go beyond this, draw outside the lines. It's okay with me. All right. And don't worry about the details so much just yet. Worry about getting the form right. Think about what you see. I'm spending more time looking at the objects than my paper. I am not erasing. I am just, when there's a mistake or something I want to fix, I'm just fixing it. Now I'm going to notice the space between the objects, and I'm going to notice that this cone starts right about here, and that there's about that much space, and then the cone is going to stick up maybe a little more than, I would say that the cylinder goes just a little bit above halfway for the cone. So I'm thinking about placement and size and distance. The light is sort of coming from this left side stronger because there's window open on the left. So once I'm happy with where it is, the placement, I can start worrying about shading. And you guys are gonna have some slightly stronger lights on because we're gonna use some light sources. But you could start using the side of your pencil. Now look, this is getting in my way. Problem solved. Take it out of your binder. You don't have to keep it in your binder. You can put it back when you're done. So just kind of drawing what I see. I see the edge of the paper there. I can make a little mark just to draw the paper. All right, 5 minutes is up. So whether you're done or not done, you would stop. So you'll do a better job than me because you're gonna have more than like 30 seconds to a minute. You're gonna have 5 minutes. So this whole worksheet is gonna take no more than 10 minutes. I might even say like 4 minutes for each and see how you guys do. So 8 minutes. When you guys are done with that, you're gonna put this back in your binder. And I know that Miss Dimmig already went over with you this worksheet, so you know that this is going to be part of the binder check. So make sure it's back inside your binder. The next thing you guys are going to do is when this timer goes off, you're going to go to this page right here where it says value. And now you're going to just practice really quick, warm up, making different values. Use the side of your pencil. Maybe do some hatching, maybe do some cross hatching, some scribbling. And if you feel comfortable with that, you're gonna go to your visual journal and you're gonna open up to a white piece of paper and you're going to start practicing making values. Now, I wanna show you something. If you put this grid underneath the paper, you should be able to see it. Kind of ran out of space here, but that's all right. You get the point. So you should be able to see it, and then you can design in that space. So what I was going to do here was I was going to make different like types of value. Using line, using shadings, and each section I was going to do just a little differently. That's my plan. So I'm almost making like little mini value scales. Now I'm gonna get darker again. As you can see, it takes a little bit of planning out. So I'm not like feeling like I'm gonna get this done in this video. I'm gonna need to spend some more time when you guys are not watching me, because you'll get bored if I do this whole design. But I'm gonna spend some time figuring this out, and then when I'm happy, and I am happy with this basic design, but I have to fill it out better, I could draw it again here. Now, if you made a perfect design, you can go to a light table and you could trace it, or a window. I'm gonna show you how to use the light table. Let's say I'm like, oh my gosh, I love my design. Which I don't, but you know, just pretend you do. All right. You can come over here to this light table and you can put your design on the light table with your pizza chart on top. Line it up. And trace it. Voila. So now I'm ready to do my design, whatever I decide on my pizza chart. All right, let's go back over here. Okay, so you spent a lot of time doing value and form. So with form, I'm gonna just keep it simple. I'm gonna end up just drawing a sphere really well, and then maybe another sphere, and maybe another sphere, maybe a bunch of spheres. But this main one is going to be drawn really well. So I would work on that for a while. Actually, I don't really like the other spheres here. I think I'm just gonna keep it one sphere. See how you can make decisions as you go? It's okay to change your mind. I'll just keep it one sphere. Really focus on doing a good job with that one sphere. All right, so your goal today, get value done on the pizza chart, get form done on the pizza chart, and be done with that. We're moving on to texture and perspective and colors, the last three. All right, have fun.